What?
Alright, so the plan is to turn this space into the new workshop. I know it doesn't look like a lot right now, and I haven't uploaded in a while, guys, because me and the partner have just purchased a brand new home. We got some things left on the wall to clean up and stuff, but plenty of PowerPoint. So how we're going to set it up just before I get to work is, that's the door that opens up. This side will be the car and this side will be workshop. A lot wider now, a lot more room to work on cars in here, so I'm super excited. But the other thing is I've got 4, 5, 6, 7... 8 plugs in this shed alone. It's going to be good. Just give you a quick look out here. Yeah, that's just gravel floor at the moment. That's going to be, you know, well in the future. Get that all slabbed and sheeted and a hoist and all the, you know, that's the dream workshop. But for now, this is the mini workshop. So I got heaps of stuff to pull out. I already got half of it out around the side. The bore out there runs irrigation around the whole property, and this is probably one of my favorite spots. Needs a pressure washing in here too, but it's got LED strips on both sides, fans, beautiful bar area. It's got a misting system, and that's all the way around. Plenty to do, but we're not a landscaping channel, so may as well give you a quick poke in here. She's big. The Falcon's in here at the moment. We've had storms nearly every night since we moved in. Alright, back to it. Righto, so I'm going to chuck the headphones on and just pump this out, but I'll get a good GoPro angle, probably chuck the chest mount on, and maybe we'll pull everything out, give it a blow everything off, maybe pressure wash some things and let it dry, and then put all the shelving in. So from that whole side, let's get into it. Pole everything out here because I just can't be fucked. But I'll pick these batteries off the ground, these pickets. I'll grab the last bits of pieces off this shelf so I can really blow and wipe everything down. Fucking look at that. All the cobwebs off the roof, most of them anyway. Yeah, just blew all the dirt out I could and then just washed it all out at the end. So I'll get the big fan on. I'll just leave that on for a bit, let it dry. I've got a few other things I've got to do around the place anyway, so I'm just going to start moving shelves in. They've all got, you know, rust-coated steel. Yeah, that'd bring this right up. I didn't realise it was blue underneath. All the grit's gone. We're going to leave that there as it's bolted in there. I could unbolt it, but I like that there. It's a good welding bench. This corner, might have a few things in this corner. I think I'm going to attach this shelf to this corner, and then I'll get in all these guys and sort of spread them out as best as I can. See what we come up with. Might keep that there and get a shelf there and there. that's how I'm going to leave it. 4 shelves there, 5, 6, bench. Have this fan here in the corner. And yeah, the fun begins. I'll bring in a box at a time and whatnot, and I just thought I'd take those brackets out there, connect this bench on, which fits my bigger shelf, more important stuff, and also fits a shelf in here without having to go behind this one. So that's all working out really good, and I am stoked with how it's looking. This is what we got for now. It's taken time. Thought I'd set up the welder just here. Good little spot. All the wires tucked behind. And yeah, all ready. I'm excited. What do you reckon? Looks like it. So yeah, that's what we got up to yesterday. But I've got Alistair over now. Hopefully give me some inspiration. See how we're gonna set this all up. I tried swinging on that. It is solid, mate. Oh. 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 Yeah. What? Engine crank. Yeah, I was looking at that, but I don't know how well it would hold one.
I don't know, I was fucking hanging and swinging off that coach. She wasn't bending around a thing, she was just moving side to side.
You and an engine are a lot different. Yeah, I'm not trusting those. Those are good welds. I'm not trusting those welds to hold up a barrow, but...
I'll test it on my car.
All right, so what do you reckon so far? I think I'm just going to keep that there and just...
Miscellaneous stuff.
Yeah, man. I'm sure I can find anything in here. There's fucking... It's all left here.
Brush and your paintbrush.
I'll get the GoPro back on and me and Alice do a fucking... We'll just work out slowly where we want everything. And then yeah, we'll pull the car in here and lift it up, see how much room we got. Should be good. To the back of the shed because I'm scared. Hold on, where is it? I don't know. That spray was awful, Alex. Oh! Did it get him?
No, but I could hear the buzzing somewhere.
Is he gone?
I don't know.
Didn't he jump out of here?
I don't know.
Do you think he got away?
Might have, but it looked like you got him.
Oh no, I did, look at the nest that's wet as fuck.
Yeah, you got the nest, but I don't know where it is. He won't go back there, he won't be able to go in there and the smell of that, he'll be like,
He was a big cunt too.
yeah, he sounded like a fucking mini helicopter.
The wasp is back. I need to find the spray. Well, I grabbed some inox because Oh, there it is. Didn't think I'd see him again. Alright, well he's fucked off for now, the little bugger. Just about to finish off the shed today and oh my god, we got him. He's clinging on for dear life. Come here. And here we are. Alistair is now gone. We got a fuck ton done. This is all that is left to go through this afternoon and we are all done. All this space here is clean. I've got the flag up with old plates. Got the trolley on this side so you can just get it down and get underneath the car. It's just hanging there for now. Couldn't find a better spot. And we decided to put this light up here because it swings, so now they can shine down on the back. Got this light up here, which is still really good, but also got that as a bench light now. Don't mind the KFC wipes. So I guess I'll just run you through what we've done before I get into this last stuff here. I guess we'll start here. So we're going to keep, obviously, this random bolt shelf. It's got heaps of good stuff in there I might need. Air compressor fits nice and snug in there to a power point, and just got the diff at the back, pressure washer, shelf vac, and I'm not sure where to mount this guy yet, so he's just down there. Just going to be my parts shelf, so coils and all that sort of stuff. And then here's going to be my more handsy tools, just more of your hands-on sort of stuff here. It's all subject to change, it's just thrown together as I go back to work pretty soon. And then under here we got some more spare parts there. The ramps, got the jack, grinder, sander, spare turbo, got all my jack stands. And here at the bench, got the charger, which runs around into that guy. So he's a good little charging bay to have. Twice, there's got me ratcheting spanners, all sorts of screwdrivers you can need, and all these shelves I've got to go through and organise. Now if we look up, I've got my grease gun. I don't know where my other spring compressor tool is, probably in here. But yeah, so the light, all my sort of discs for the grinder, nails in there just to hold up all the guns. Some more nails just for whatever I might need in the future. And we're coming on to the welding bench. So for the welding bench, we've just got 2 steel trays under here. I'll just have some cut-offs and some spare bits of steel under here. Welder, gloves, mask. And then this side of the bench will be for welding. I've got all my tools here because I also need to find where I want to put them all. Hang a lot of them up, but not all of them because that'd be silly. I've got a work bag here. As you've seen, Alistair's done this for me. Looks fucking beautiful. Still got to change up some things here and there, fill it all up. And then coming from the back here, as you can see, we've got just some extension cords and stuff like that. Random bits and bobs. Now this all has to get organised yet. That's my cleaning side of the shelf, so more softer cleaners. This is a bit more hands-on cleaning stuff with some coolants. Then this is going to be all my heavy duty sprays and heavy duty cleaners with my oil. So that's BTR and ZF oil for the Falcons. It's just some 10W40 there, power steering, brake fluid, all that. My pans down there, so it's more heavy duty. And this is more miscellaneous for now, more like just painting and sort of whatnot for now, but I've got to get sandpaper in there and all the good stuff. Got my gazebo just resting here for now. I got the fire extinguisher mounted in, quick release. Level sits up there, sitting all level. So really, that's it. That's just a quick rundown of what we got so far. So still got to pretty up the 4 shelves, pretty up this bench. But yeah, it's all coming out so fucking good, so much more room to what I am used to. So yeah, we'll get into this now and sort it all out, and I'll pick the camera back up. I don't know, I might chuck the time lapse on so you can see how I go through it all, and I'll pick it back up and update you all on what I do, and yeah, so stoked. Looks good.